depends on your activities. But here is the important part. I'm not going to tell you the name of the app just yet. Why? Because I want you to decide whether these features are worth your time before you even know what it's called. So if you are a female creator looking for a new platform to grow your audience and join through a supportive agency, keep watching because today I will walk you through everything you need to know. Before we continue, this video is for informational purposes only. I'm sharing the platform publish host policy and explaining how it works. Your results depends on your activities, audience, and compliance with the platform rules. Nothing in this video guarantees earnings or approval. If you have been asking questions like which creator platform is recruiting female hosts? Is there a platform with video call and voice party rooms? Or where can I join with agency support? Then today's video may help you. I will explain the platform features, host requirement, activities, reward, video verification process, and withdrawal policy. Without revealing this app name yet, here is what this platform includes: private one-face-one video calls, voice party room where hosts and users can interact, paid private messages, virtual gift support, weekly activities reward for eligible hosts, a host verification system, a withdrawal features built into the app. On top of that, agencies can help new hosts through the registration or onboarding process. Now, you are probably wondering, how do hosts actually get started? How does the reward system work? And what are the requirements to become a verified host? Don't skip ahead because in the next section, I will reveal the platform and explain everything shown in the official host policy. Private video call rate, match call system, paid messages, gift sharing, daily activities bonus, weekly gift bonuses. So far, I've shown you some of the features without revealing the platform. If you have watched until this point, thank you. Now, it's time to reveal the app. The platform is called Boomi. Boomi is a social platform that combines private video call, voice private room messaging, and virtual gift. If you are a female creator looking for another platform to grow your audience, here is what the current host policy says. What makes Boomi different? This isn't just a chatting app. It offers multiple ways for creators to interact with users. You can join one-face-one private video call, host or participating in voice party rooms, can chat through private messages, receive virtual gifts from users, complete activity tasks if you are qualified. The combination of these features gives creators different ways to stay active on the platform. Now, private video call. Let's start with the private video call. According to the current host policy, private video call are one of the platform main creators features. The platform shows that private calls can earn between 66 to 139 points per minute depending on the setting and the platform rules. It's also important to note that video calls shorter than 50 seconds are not counted, so creators should focus on genuine conversation rather than short video calls. Now, match call. Boomi also has a match call features. When a match connects, the policy states that the first minute is rewarded separately, and if the conversation continues, the remaining time follows the private call system. This encouraging longer and more meaningful conversation. Paid messages. Another interesting features in is paid messaging. Creators can choose whether messaging cost of 0, 0.5 point or 10 that gives us flexibility. Some may allow free messaging to attract more users, while others may choose a paid option after building an audience. Now, virtual gift. Now, let's talk about virtual gift. The current policy states that all start with a 30% gift share. As creator completes gift related target, the total share can increase according to the platform reward policy. That means active creators may unlock additional reward by meeting the platform requirements. O point and withdrawal. The policy also explain the O point system. At the time of this recording, 820 O points is equals to 1 USD. Minimum withdrawal is 8,200 O points, which is equivalent to $10. Keep in your mind that the platform can update their exchange rate or policies, so always check the latest information inside the app. Stay until the end. Boomi also has daily activities tags, weekly gift bonuses, and host verification process and inbuilt withdrawal system. Those are some of the features creators ask me about the most. So don't go anywhere, because in this next part I will explain the activities bonus, how to become a verified host, and how you can apply through my agency if you are interested. So far we have looked on the platform main features and the creator earning system, but one thing that catch my attention is that Boomi doesn't only reward creators through call and gift, it also has activities based tasks for eligible hosts. Let's take a closer look. Daily activities tasks. According to the current host policy, active hosts may qualify for daily activities bonuses. The policy lists examples such as more than 30 minutes of qualified video call, which is 1,640 points, about $2 based on the current conversion rate. More than 60 minutes is 3,280 points, about $4. More than 100 minutes is 6,560 points, about $8. Policy also notes that only eligible calls that meet the platform requirements count towards this tax. For example, generally needs to last longer than the minimum duration specific by the platform. Now, weekly gift bonuses. Another features is the weekly gift bonuses program. According to the policy, creator who receive more virtual gifts during the week can unlock additional bonuses reward. The example shown including increasing bonuses level as gift target are reached, starting from similar reward and growing as activities increases. Examples shown include increasing bonuses level as gift targets are reached, starting from smaller reward and growing as activities increase. Remember, these are bonus targets, not guaranteed payout. Reaching them depends on your audience engaging and activities. More than video call. What I also like is that Boomi isn't limited to the future. You have private call, voice party room, private messages, virtual gift, multiple ways to interact with user. That variety can help creators stay active without relying on the single features. How to become verified host. If you are interested in applying, here's the process shown in the current policy. Step 1. Click the link to download the app and create your account. Step 2. Fill in the basic information. Step 3. Select the video chat host option during registration. Step 4. Complete the selfie verification so the platform can review your identity. Step 5. Upload a high good quality profile picture and your nickname. Create your album and write a short self introduction. A complete profile gives users a better first impression. Step 6. Submit your application form approval. Once approved, you can begin using a creator features available to verified hosts. Why join through an agency? If you are a new creator, platforms joining through an agency can make the process easier. At Freaky Agency, we help creators understand the registration process, complete their host profile, learn the platform rules, get started with confidence. Our goal is to help you onboard smoothly while following the platform guidelines. We have covered the future bonuses and verification process. In the final part, I will explain the withdrawal process, payment schedule, and how you can join through my agency if you are interested in becoming a Boomi host. So far, we have covered the creator features, activities, tax, reward, weekly bonuses, and host verification. Now, let's finish by looking at one of the questions I receive most often. How does the withdrawal process work? According to the current Boomi host policy, the withdrawal process is completely directly inside the app. Here is how it works. Step 1. Open your profile and tap your O point balance. Step 2. Tap withdrawal button. Step 3. Choose the amount you want to withdraw. Step 4. Confirm your withdrawal request. Step 5. Confirm your withdrawal request. The policy currently shows that 820 O points is equal to $1. Minimum withdrawal is 8,200 O points, which equal $10. Always check the latest information inside the app because payment methods and policy can change over time. Weekly payment information. The policy also explains how weekly process work. It states that hosts can submit withdrawal requests multiple times during the week before the cut-off time. After the weekly cut-off, the platform prepares salary report. Payments are handled based on the official schedule for each supported region. If you are unsure about the cut-off time for your country, your agency can help you understand the current schedule. Who should apply? So, who do I think this platform is suitable for? This opportunity may be a good fit for female creators who enjoy meeting new people, are comfortable with video conversation, like voice party room, can stay active consistently. Want to build a long-term audience instead of expecting instant results. Success on any creator platform takes consistency, professionalism, and following the platform's rule. Why join through Freaky Agency? If you decide to apply through Freaky Agency, here is what we offer. Guidance during registration, help with host verification, support if you have question about the platform, updates whenever the platform changes its policies, tips to help you understand the app's features and community rules. Our goal is to support creators throughout the onboarding process, not to guarantee earning or approval. If you are interested in becoming Boomi host, follow the registration step shown in the video. After you have created your account, contact me at Freaky Agency via Telegram, and we will guide you through the remaining setup process. If you find this video, if you find this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss the next recruiting opportunities in any creators platform. Thanks for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.